Hello everyone, I'm Nikhil Gandhi, founder Banamin Healthcare. We are located in Vadodara, Gujarat, active into the food and nutrition segment, specifically gut health related areas. We are helping people to eat real food products which are nutritionally balanced and coming from the natural ingredients only. We have designed products which are plant based, 100% gluten free, low GI in nature, 100% clean label, doesn't contain any preservatives or any chemicals. It has been made only using the fruit products like banana, chiku, guava. We have used the lentils, beans, and green vegetables as the other ingredients. The products are designed in such a way that it provides around 25 to 45% of daily requirement of major micro and macronutrients. Loaded with the resistant starch, fibers, and multi-nutrition, these products are helpful for people who are looking for solutions into the obesity-related areas, gut health, fitness enthusiasts, people looking from the diabetic angle, as well as the general nutrition right from the 6-month-old baby to the any age group. Thank you.